Hello?
Who's that?
Is this Tom the plumber?
Speaking, who's that?
Oh, it's me. I've got some plumbing issues.
Have you?
Yeah, I've got some leaky pipes.
You got a what pipe?
I've got some leaky pipes.
Whose pipes?
Leaky. It's all dripping and everything.
Where are you?
I'm in my house.
Who's it?
I can't hear you. You must be in a windy place, to be honest. I can't hear a word you're saying.
I'm in Brighton at the moment.
Excuse me?
I'm in Brighton at the moment.
In Brighton? I was in Brighton the other day.
Yeah, I'm here now, yeah.
Oh, you on the beach?
Yeah, I'm actually.
Oh yeah. Who you with?
Hi?
Who you with?
Say that again.
Who are you with?
Yeah, I'm with the daughter. Daughter's moving down here.
Alright, how old is she?
21.
Oh, that's good. Alright, have you bought any candy floss?
You want to phone me back later?
Oh, well, I'm kind of busy because I'm kind of drowning in my leaky pipes, to be honest. It's everywhere. It's up to my elbows.
Well, I've got no chance of getting. Where are you?
I'm in my bedroom.
Where?
In my house.
Where's that?
I can't remember. The carers usually take care of that, to be honest.
Well, if you're in Birmingham, you have no chance because I'm in Brighton.
Yeah. Okay. I'll just have to try and call someone outside my window, to be honest.
Yeah, sorry.
Alright, thank you. Have a lovely time with your daughter. I hope she's having a happy time.
Yeah, she will.
Okay. Love you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, bye-bye.
Oh, do I not get a love you?